Hello, everyone. Tamara, let's wait a few minutes for others who want to join us, and after that, we will start. Let me introduce and provide a short introduction. Yes, I'm Nina, and I will be a speaker for today's session. I'm excited to show you how to integrate the Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys with Microsoft tools and third-party platforms. My colleague Tamara will help to moderate chat and the webinar. Tamara, please, few words from your side. Over to you.
Thank you, Nina. Hello and welcome, everyone. It's a pleasure to have all of you with us for today's webinar. My name is Tamara Kogler. I'm a marketing specialist with 6 years of experience and various successful marketing projects in different industries. I'm glad to be here today and support Nina during this webinar on Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Let's do a quick video and sound check before we start. For this, please type plus or send your reactions or greetings or other comments to the chat if you see and hear us well.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I think everyone who wanted to join us is here now. Yes. Good day, everyone. Thanks for being here with us for today's webinar on effective marketing, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys integration with Microsoft tools and third-party integrations. At first, let me introduce our company briefly. UDS Systems is a 70-year experienced IT company that creates and installs automated software to make working better with Microsoft tools like Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement, Power Platforms, and Azure. Our mission is to deliver top tools and innovative solutions to address various business challenges while delivering personalized, high-quality services. And a few words about myself. I'm PhD in marketing and economics and Dynamics 365 marketing advisor at UDS Systems with 8 years of relevant experience. I have expertise in Dynamics 365 Power Platform, including Power Apps and Power BI, as well as Dynamics 365 Sales and Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Also, I'm a project manager, a Scrum Master, and a business analyst. And let's move to our agenda. Here is our agenda for today. In today's session, we will delve into the world of marketing integrations. We will focus on Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys and its seamless integration with a variety of tools to supercharge your marketing efforts. We will examine a wide range of the following tools for integrations. You can see them here in this slide. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales and Customer Voice for direct feedback and sales data integration, Microsoft Power BI and Power Automate for analytics and automation, LinkedIn Marketing Solutions, and Microsoft Clarity for online engagement and user behavior insights, Microsoft Azure AI and Copilot for leveraging artificial intelligence in customer segmentation and interaction, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook for collaboration and communication, plus key third-party integrations like Google Analytics, Mailchimp, Salesforce, HubSpot, Hotjar, and many more. At the end of our webinar, we will have a Q&A session where you can ask questions about these popular integrations for marketing purposes. If you have some questions during the webinar, please put them to our chat and we will try to answer all of them at the end of our session. Or if you have some specific suggestions, please find the link in our chat for a private consultation. So let's start with a short reminder of what the Customer Insights Journey is. The new Dynamics 365 Customer Insights package merges two apps into one. Customer Insights Journeys, previously Dynamics 365 Marketing, and Customer Insights Data. Customer Insights Journeys is a game-changing tool for businesses, transforming the way of their interactions with customers. In our previous webinar, we explored how Customer Insights Journeys can elevate your marketing strategies with these key features. And key features you can see in this slide. customer segmentation, email marketing and automation, marketing forms and pages, customer journeys, lead management, event planning, social media posting, marketing analytics, and Copilot. You can find the detailed description of each feature in our webinar record. The link is provided in the slide and in our chat. And here are the benefits of using Customer Insights Journeys: real-time customer engagement, boosted customer relationship building, data-driven personalization, unified and flexible platform, and enhanced customer loyalty. Now let's follow to the next slide and explore how to organize integrations based on their main marketing goals. These integrations can be grouped by their marketing impact in such a way. You can see all this group in the picture here. The first group is the customer engagement and communication. It includes these marketing Microsoft tools. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Voice for collecting and analyzing customer feedback to boost satisfaction and loyalty, Microsoft Outlook to manage customer communications and track interactions to personalize engagement strategies, and Microsoft Teams for fostering collaboration among marketing teams. The second group is data analysis and reporting. Here we can see Microsoft Power BI to advance actionable insights and detailed reports on customer behavior and trends, Microsoft Azure AI to predict customer behavior, segment audience, and optimize marketing efforts, and Microsoft Clarity to analyze website user behavior with heat maps and session recordings. The next group is dedicated to sales and marketing automation. And there are the Microsoft tools included in it. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales to refine sales strategies and boost the lead conversions. Microsoft Power Automate to simplify marketing by automating tasks like data entry, email blast, or lead management. And LinkedIn Microsoft Marketing Solution to improve the lead generation with LinkedIn target ads. And the final group of Microsoft tools for integration is the content management and collaboration. Here we should highlight Microsoft SharePoint to manage and share marketing content and documentation and keep the team updated with the latest resources, and Microsoft Copilot to produce relevant and engaging content based on customer data and insights. And there is a separate group, the third-party integrations for enhanced marketing. Here you can see the internal grouping of the third-party tools by marketing purposes. Analytics and reporting, including Google Analytics, Salesforce, HubSpot, Hotjar, communication and engagement or support with Mailchimp, Twilio, Zendesk, Freshdesk, advertising and promotion, including Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and e-commerce integration with Shopify. Now let's focus on each Microsoft tool integration separately and find out how these tools can strengthen your marketing together with Customer Insights Journeys. And the first Microsoft tool for integration that we will consider is the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. These tools allows businesses to capture and analyze customer feedback in real time. It helps companies gather insights from surveys to enhance customer engagement and satisfactions. Here in this slide, we can see how Customer Voice is connected to Customer Insights Journeys and what features you can use in your marketing process after these integrations. So it uses survey data to enrich customer profiles in Customer Insights, to adjust strategy based on direct customer feedback and sentiment analysis. So after the integration, you will be able to enrich profiles with real-time survey data insights, utilize feedback for data-driven making decisions, address customer concerns and preferences proactively. The main setup feature this will definitely be useful for you is the ability to configure sets of waves at key points in the customer journeys directly through Dynamics 365. Let's move on to the next slide. And here we can see 3 Microsoft Customer Voice cool features to improve your marketing. So wave templates and customization, real-time feedback collection, and integrated analytics. To fully use this integration, you have to have the valid Dynamics 365 Customer Voice license and go through these necessary steps. Integrate customer voice with Dynamics 365 together and analyze customer feedback. Set up waves and feedback channels directly linked to customer journeys and utilize feedback data to refine customer insights. In this slide, you can see the screenshots illustrating some possibilities of customer voice and the link to the official website to know more about this Microsoft tool. In the next slide, we can see the instructions to install customer voice settings. Start from getting the access to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the organizational settings. You can see this in the screenshots. Locate Dynamics 365 Customer Voice in Services. Access Customer Voice Setting panel. Update the Customer Voice settings and save the changes. We will not go into details at each step of this process. We just want to show you how simple the integration itself is. At this point, let's listen to Tamara.
Great. Thank you, Nina. Let's give our amazing speaker a short break. In the meantime, you can put your reactions and write supportive comments in our chat. Also, you can type your questions directly to the chat, and Nina will answer them during the Q&A session at the end of our webinar.
Yeah, thank you, Tamara. Thank you, Tamara. So we can continue and take a look at our second Microsoft tool for integration from customer engagement and communication group, Microsoft Outlook. This personal information manager from Microsoft is primarily used as a mail app, but it also includes features like calendar, task management, contact management, note-taking, journal login, and web browsing. With this integration, you will have the possibility to customize marketing messages for better engagement, send communication and at optional times for impact, and strengthens connections through personalized outreach. As a result, it allows you to streamline communications, manage customer interactions, and integrate email campaign effectively. And in the next slide, we can see 3 Microsoft Outlook features to improve your marketing. Linking and tracking email messages, meetings, and appointments to specific records and dataverse. Calendar scheduling and management to coordinate meetings and events linked to your marketing activities. And creating new records like contact, leads, or accounts directly from Outlook. Please take a look at the screenshots with email management and calendar features. The link to the official website is also provided in our chat. And in the next slide, you can see the instructions to install the Microsoft Outlook settings. And the first step is to set the default synchronization method, test the email configuration, and enable the mailboxes, provide the security role access, and install the app for Outlook. We are not focusing on these steps, as 1 week ago, my colleague Alexander ran a webinar on this topic where he provided more detailed instruction with screenshots and live demo of this Outlook setup process. Here in this slide, you can see the link to this webinar record, and if interested, of course, follow the link for more details. You can find this link in our chat as well. Yeah, now let's proceed to the third Microsoft tool for integration, Microsoft Teams. It's a collaboration hub within Dynamics 365. designed to help teams collaborate more effectively with meetings, document collaboration, or charts. With this integration, you will receive the ability to access customer insights in Teams for quick collaboration, turn insight into strategies directly in Teams for fast implementation, and improve marketing efficiency in Teams. Also, as a result, you can integrate Teams to allow seamless communication and collaboration across marketing and sales teams. And in the next slide, we can see the Microsoft Teams features related to channel conversations, to discuss marketing strategies, share updates, and brainstorm ideas with team members, file sharing to collaborate on marketing documents, presentation, and files within Teams, making sure everyone has access to the most current materials, and meeting integration with the ability to schedule and host marketing meetings, webinar, and live events, enable real-time discussion, update, and decision-making. Below, we can see the screenshot with the team conversations and the calendar for meetings. Let's move on. Let's move to the technical instructions to configure a Microsoft Teams chart in Dynamics 365 Sales. In Sales Hub, select Change Area at the lower left corner, then App Settings, go to General Settings and select Chart and Collaborate. Turn on the toggle for turn on Microsoft Teams charts inside Dynamics 365. Choose the integration scope, team charts across all apps, or limits team chart to selected apps. Then save the changes to activate the integrations and finally verify the integration. Now we can continue and move to the next Microsoft tool, enabling marketers to easily understand customer trends, behaviors, and preferences to make informed decisions. Power BI. Power BI is a part of Microsoft Fabric, is a business analytics service. It provides interactive visualization and business intelligence capabilities with the interface simply enough for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. Power BI integrated with Customer Insights Journeys will help you develop dashboards for marketing outcomes, track campaign performance, and make data-driven decisions. Also, as a result, you will benefit from interactive reports, data connectivity and preparation, and AI-powered analytics. For this Microsoft tool integration, we can highlight the following features: real-time data visualization, advanced analytics, and customizable reports. Before the integration, you will need to check the Power BI license and the Dynamics 365 access. And here you will see screenshots of embedded Power BI reports with the link to get the desktop version of Power BI. You will need this version to configure the connector for this Microsoft tool. The step-by-step instructions are presented in this slide. Open Power BI desktop and select File, Get Data. Please see screenshot. Then click on See More and search for Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Select Connect. Sign in with your organizational account, link it to Customer Insight. Click on Connect. Next, navigate to the dialog box and select the relevant tables. And finally, once loaded the needed tables, create the report to analyze the imported data. This approach enables you to connect various source databases, consolidating data in centralized location for analysis and evaluation. And we are moving to the next slide, where we have the next Microsoft tool, Microsoft Azure AI. This collection of AI services and cognitive APIs empowers developers to create intelligent applications even without direct AI or data science expertise. It includes services like Azure Machine Learning, Azure Cognitive Service, and Azure Bot Services. So the integration with Azure AI models will help to process large volume of customer data for predictive analytics. It will result in forecasting marketing trends, predicting customer behavior, and personalizing marketing efforts at scale. Now it's time to look at the core features of Microsoft Azure AI for marketing. And here we can highlight machine learning services to build and deploy machine learning models to enhance predictive capabilities, knowledge mining to extract insights from documents, images, or media, and bot services to develop intelligent conversational AI bots to improve customer interactions. Let's proceed to the next slide, where you will find the instructions on how to set up an Azure Machine Learning connection. Access connection settings in Customer Insight data, then set up Azure Machine Learning connection, enter connection information, and finally review and agree to term. If you need more technical information related to Microsoft Azure AI, you can visit our ideas blog or give us a private consultation request to clarify. Now we are going to take a look at our third Microsoft tool in this data analysis and reporting section, Microsoft Clarity. Clarity is a free analytical tool from Microsoft that provides website usage metrics, session recordings, and heat maps, delivering insights into the user behavior. Due to this integration, you will result in the following benefits: user behavior and analysis to track how users interact with your website via heat maps and user recordings, session replay to review the user session to identify the pain points and the opportunities for optimization, and insightful metrics to collect detailed metrics on user engagement and the website performance. In the next slide, we can spotlight the Microsoft Clarity features. The first one is user behavior tracking to monitor and analyze the user interactions such as clicks, scrolls, and navigation paths across digital platforms, heat maps visualization to see where user can focus in their attention on web pages. You can see the screenshots, and session recording to understand how the user interact with website or application. Now we will see the screenshots demonstrating the setup Microsoft Clarity process. Install tracking code, access settings in your Clarity project, and navigate to setup. Choose the desired installation method, manual installation, third-party platform integration, or code sharing with a team member, and view your Clarity project to confirm the installation. Optionally, you can integrate Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager by simply clicking on the appropriate buttons. And now, we are moving to the next group of Microsoft tools, the sales and marketing automation. Here we have a tool which will refine targeted, enhance personalization, and improve the sales cycle efficiency, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. This is CRM application from Microsoft that helps businesses manage and analyze customer interaction and data throughout the customer lifecycle. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales can be integrated directly with Customer Insights by synchronizing customer data in interactions, enhancing CRM records for sales follow-ups. With this integration, you can utilize the insights for score leads, trigger sales alerts, and tailor personalized sales strategies according to the customer behavior analytics. The next slide demonstrates the core feature of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales: lead and opportunity management to track and manage sales leads and opportunities throughout the sales cycle, relationship insights to use embedded AI to provide actionable insight based on communication, activities, and engagement, and sales reporting and analytics to generate detailed sales reports and performance dashboards. Yeah, and let's move on. Here we can see the instructions for Sales Hub app integration. The screenshots demonstrate the steps to get the Sales app and grant or revoke the access. And now the next Microsoft tool, which helps to configure workflows that connect various data points and applications, Microsoft Power Automate. Formerly recognized as Microsoft Flow, this service helps automate repetitive tasks such as data collection, file synchronization, and notification across various Microsoft and third-party applications. So with this tool, you can connect with hundreds of apps and services to automate marketing tasks like lead nurturing, email responses, and customer notifications based on insights. Here we can see that some useful for marketing Power Automate features: automated workflows, data synchronization, and personalized communications. Make sure that you have the Power Automate license and sell access to Dynamics 365 before the integration. And after that, set up automated workflows between Dynamics 365 and other applications. Use pre-built templates or create custom flows to automate tasks based on customer journey data, and monitor and manage automated workflows within Dynamics 365. You can see this in the screenshots. Now let's take a look at the integration process with Power Automate Connector. First, navigate to Settings, Connections, select Setup on the Power Automate tile, then sign in to Power Automate, choose one of the available triggers and add more steps to your new flow. You can create a flow from a description or from a template. And finally, save your flow. Yeah, please, Tamara, give me a few seconds break.
Yes, of course. Thank you to all the viewers who are with us today. We see your chat activity and like it. Taking this opportunity, I want to remind and highlight that in the coming days after the webinar, you will receive a webinar recording and a presentation with all materials and links.
Thank you, Tamara. Now we are going ahead to explore the LinkedIn Microsoft Marketing Solution integration. This integration merges LinkedIn extending professional network with Microsoft analytical tools. It links Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys with LinkedIn to create targeted ad campaign and content strategies based on detailed customer segments and professional data. So after the integration, you will be able to utilize LinkedIn detailed professional data for precise audience targeting, use various ad formats including sponsored content, email and dynamic ads, and access the campaign performance tracking. Let's follow to the next slide where we can see the list of core LinkedIn Microsoft Marketing Solution features for marketing purposes. It's LinkedIn matches audience integration, lead generation forms, and content sharing and engagement. So by syncing audience segments from Customer Insights Journeys with LinkedIn, you can reach specific groups of LinkedIn users with customizable content and maximize the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Yeah, the next slide, supplies us with the instructions for LinkedIn lead gen integration in outbound marketing to connect Customer Insights Journeys with LinkedIn profile. So navigate to outbound marketing, LinkedIn lead gen user profiles. I see screenshot, select authorize and sign in to LinkedIn to set the connection. Then check if your LinkedIn user profile has been synced. Also analyze links, leads and performance. Review the leads details, analyze individual form submissions, and view sync status for LinkedIn data. You can see the status in the screenshots here. And we are moving to our last group of Microsoft tools for integration, content management and collaboration, where we have Microsoft SharePoint and Copilot. Let's start with Microsoft SharePoint. SharePoint is a web-based platform that seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Office, offering document management, storage, enterprise content management, team collaboration, website hosting, and enterprise search functionality. You can use SharePoint as a repository for all marketing materials and data reports generated from Customer Insights Journeys, ensuring all team members have access to the latest data and can collaborate effectively. So using this integration, you can centralize resources for easy access and collaboration. Plus, you can store, access, and manage documents centrally, organize and manage content post-creation, ensure compliance and workflow management, and facilitate team collaboration with forums, blogs, and community sites. Now let's take a look at the Microsoft SharePoint features, which we can use after the integration for marketing issues. Document collaboration, unified content management, and data-driven decision-making. You can see this feature in the slide. Let's follow to the next slide and see the steps of the integration process. To enable server-based SharePoint integration, you can see this step in the screenshot. Go to Settings, Advanced Settings, navigate to Settings, Document Management, select Enable Server-Based SharePoint Integration, then choose SharePoint type and enter URL. After that, define folder structure, upload and review the documents in SharePoint. The last Microsoft tool for integration that we would like to present is Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot integrates AI capabilities across Microsoft 365 applications with such advanced features as summarization, content creation, and data insights. Thus, it employs AI to generate marketing content suggestions and improve customer interactions based on insight collected from dynamic customer insights across marketing channels. For this, you can use AI-driven suggestions based on context and previous interactions, real-time assistance, and enhanced content creations, which enables quickly produce high-quality, relevant marketing content. In this slide, you can see the list of the main Copilot features: enhanced targeting accuracy, automated email generation to originate personalized email content, and streamlined journey creation to save time and resources, making campaign mapping easier. The next slide is giving us an overview of the steps to enable the Journey Copilot. Navigate to Settings, Overview, Features, Journey. Toggle the Journey Copilot features to enable it. Click Save in the upper right corner to confirm. All the steps are presented in the screenshots. After that, you can use Journey Copilot and utilize Copilot for journey creation by reviewing the Copilot's suggestions. At this point, I am glad to say that we have covered the core Microsoft team, Microsoft tool integrations. So Tamara, over to you.
Thank you. Yes, we have revealed all 11 key features of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. I think this is great. So we are ready to move forward and dive into some examples of third-party integrations with Customer Insights. Of course, this won't be an exhaustive list because there are numerous different platforms that is possible to connect with customer insights. But Nina will mention the main and the most popular ones.
Thank you, Tamara. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Now we are going to make a short overview of the third-party integrations. And these tools expand the capability of customer insights by adding the layers of external data like web analytics, email interactions, additional CRM data, and direct messaging to paint a clear picture of the customer journey. We can divide the third-party tools by marketing purposes: analytics and reporting, communications and engagement, advertising and promotion, and finally e-commerce integration. To run the integrations, you will need to have each platform's account and the API access. Let's move on. The first third-party tool is Google Analytics that provides insights into the website traffic, user behavior, and marketing effectiveness. You can integrate Google Analytics with your marketing sites to track the user behavior, traffic sources, and engagement. So this tool will help you understand the website traffic patterns, improve SEO strategies, and optimize the ad placements. The helpful features are traffic analytics, conversion tracking, and user demographic data. Then Salesforce, a CRM platform for managing customer relationships, sales processes, and marketing campaigns. With this tool, you can optimize the customer journeys by using combined insights from both platforms to refine the sales strategies and making campaigns. And the helpful features are advanced CRM tool, marketing automation, and customer data management. In the next slide, we have HubSpot, marketing automations and CRM software for inbound marketing, lead generation, and customer engagement, including email, social media, content marketing, lead scoring, and analytics. With this tool, you can generate leads, nurture prospects, and convert leads into customers through targeted content and engagement. The next third-party tool is Hotjar that provides insights into the user behavior and feedback through heat maps, session recordings, and surveys. With this tool, you can improve the website engagement, increase the conversions rate, and enhance the user satisfaction. The useful features are heat maps, session recordings, surveys, feedback, and feedback polls. Let's follow to the next slide. Here we have the third-party tools from the communication, engagement, and support group. Mailchimp, an email marketing platform for designing, sending, and tracking marketing emails, newsletters, and automated campaigns. You can integrate Mailchimp directly syncing with Dynamics 365 to manage the mailing list and segmentation. This tool will optimize your email campaign by using A/B testing, analytics, and automated response triggers. And its helpful features are email automation, campaign management, and subscriber segmentation. Twilio, a cloud communication platform for sending and receiving SMS, voice calls, and other messages programmatically. So its main features are SMS messaging, voice calling, automated notifications, and two-factor authentication. The next third-party tool is Zendesk, customer service software and a support ticketing system for managing customer inquiries and interactions. Integrating this tool will assist you in centralizing customer support ticketing, help desk, and knowledge-based management. In addition, this tool will help you to improve your customer satisfaction, enhance the support efficiency, and build brand loyalty through responsive customer service. And the main features are ticket management, knowledge base, live chat, and customer feedback. Finally, Freshdesk, help desk software for providing multi-channel customer support through email, chat, phone, or social media channels. And the features are multi-channel support, ticket automation, self-service portal, and analytics. Now let's take a look at one more group of tools, advertising and promotion. Google Ads here, an online advertising platform for creating and managing pay-per-click advertising campaigns on Google search and display networks. Google Ads will help you manage and optimize advertising campaign across the Google network, including search, display, and video ads. Plus, it will optimize your ad performance through keywords, targeting, ad copy testing, and bid management to increase the website traffic, generate leads, and drive conversations through targeted advertising. Facebook ads, an advertising platform for creating and running targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and audience network. This tool will optimize the ad targeted using audience segmentation, retargeting, and lookalike audiences. And its helpful features are ad campaign creation, audience targeting, and ad performance measurement. The next slide presents LinkedIn ads, an advertising solution for reaching professionals and businesses through sponsored content, display ads, and sponsored email messages. With LinkedIn ads, you will optimize your ad targeting based on professional demographic, job title, and industry affiliations. With this tool, you will successfully reach the professional audience, generate leads, and drive B2B sales through targeted advertising. And the final third-party tool that we will consider is Shopify, an e-commerce platform for building and managing online stores, selling products, and processing payments. This tool will be useful for seamless e-commerce management, including product catalog, inventory, orders, and customer data. Using Shopify, you will increase your online sales, improve the customer experience, and drive the repeat purchases. The main features are e-commerce platform, product management, order fulfillment, and customer relationship management. As you can see, we have covered the most popular integrations with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. And now let's take a look at our latest real-life example with Customer Insights Journey integrations. Let's consider the case which is related to car fleet marketing performance and integrations. Here you can see the short overview of the company and the client request. In short, a German automotive campaign requested the assistant to improve their marketing to drive different integrations for business growth. Based on the company request, our team implemented the following integrations. Microsoft Team integration. Here we stop the direct communication with the potential and current clients through the CRM, managing the phone numbers, the call redirections based on the call topics, and the notifications about the new lead directly in Teams channels. Dynamics 365 sales integration. Here we enhanced the targeting, personalization, and sales cycle efficiency by aligning the sales activities. Dynamics 365 customer voice integration. Here we developed surveys for potential customers, the customers who refused, also for drivers and the fleet owners. SharePoint integrations. We enable collaboration among the marketing teams, managing the marketing materials and automatical emails, file saving. Microsoft Outlook. We manage the email and files for the postmasters and the calendar for the demo calls with the potential clients. Power BI, here we provided the access to the real-time analytics and reporting on the campaign performance. Microsoft Copilot, we utilized it for sales to systemize and generate the email text and create the call schedules directly from email responses. And integration with Microsoft Clarity, we gathered the aggregated data from Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics and viewed the user B2C portal usage records. Also, due to this performance, the client received the following advantages by the third-party integrations. Let's take a look. Driver check to monitor the driver's license to the fleet owners and drivers. Car configurator to configure various car models from the patterns for leasing or purchasing. Smart sign up to integrate the list of companies into marketing forms to receive comprehensive company information. Also, lead feeder to identify and convert the nameless website visitor into actionable sales leads. Zapier to connect various apps and services to automate the workflows for data exchange across different platforms. Sales Viewer to provide insights into the sales performance, customer behavior, and pipeline management. WordPress site here to integrate the marketing forms into the WordPress site. Hotjar integration, we used it for viewing the heat maps. Twilio to integrate SMS, voice, and video capabilities into the systems, and Telesign to improve the security by phone number verification and two-factor authentication solutions. Yeah. And in this slide, you can see that the customer received as a result. It enhanced customer engagement, improved marketing effectiveness, and advanced data insights and decision making. Tamara?
Thank you so much, Nina. It was really interesting. The case that Nina has overviewed includes the comprehensive complex marketing solution with various implementations and integrations provided by our UDS systems team. To summarize all the above, different integrations can complement your marketing capabilities and improve your marketing automation. That's why we highly recommend using all of them. In addition, if you have any requests, our UDS team is ready to provide a free personal consultation with the Microsoft experts, especially for the webinars attendees. It's possible to book the consultation via booking a call option or via form on our website.
No, thank you, Tamara. Yeah, thank you for this information. And before we conclude, here are some practical tips for implementing Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys integrations. Let's go through the list. Define your integration objective to guide tool selection and setup. Check tool compatibility with your current tech stack and Dynamics 365. Ensure integrations comply with data security and industry regulations. Test integrations with a pilot project to refine processes. Train your team on using the new integrations. Continuously monitor the integrations performance and gather the feedback. Use available support resources to manage the integrational challenges. Optimize and expand the use of your integration based on the results. measure the integration impact with the analytics to adjust the strategies, and stay informed about the new updates and features in the integrated tools. Now, here are the tips for selecting third-party tools for integration with Customer Insights Journeys. You can investigate the more details in provided presentation. And now let's sum up. By integrating Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys with the Microsoft tools and third-party platforms, you can implement effective marketing campaigns to leverage real-time data, advanced analytics, and personalized engagement. And here, in the next slide, here you can see the range of UDA system main technologies, Microsoft Dynamics 365 business applications, Power Platform components, and Azure. Plus, here is UDS Dynamics 365 marketing service. And I hope the above information was helpful and insightful for you, and you have found the integrations to benefit your company and boost your marketing strategy. And of course, if you have some questions, suggestions, or requests, feel free to contact us. The contact information you can see here in this slide. And now it's time for your questions. Please feel free to ask anything related to this topic, and we will do our best to provide helpful insight and answers. Put your questions into our chat.
Yes, thank you, Nina. Let's start our Q&A session. So, we are waiting for your questions. Yes, waiting. And we've got the first one. Are you ready, Nina?
Good.
Okay, the first question is, main difficulties to integrating sales and customer insights?
Thank you for these questions. And yes, as you know, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys and Dynamics 365 Sales use the same database, Dataverse. So if they are in one tenant, it's so easy to integrate. But each app has its own specific entities. For example, marketing emails and marketing templates we have only in Customer Insights Journeys, and also they have their own configurations. So the need for additional customization and configuration can be the first challenges for this integration. Moreover, we still have the data quality issue related to incomplete data across different platforms. Yes, for example, in customer or user profiles. And of course, the integrations will need the coordination between marketing and sales teams to use the customer data and insights properly.
Thank you, Nina, for the detailed answer. Okay, let's move forward. The next question we have is, what are the main benefits of the integration with Power BI? Is the integration process difficult?
Thank you for this question. And the main benefits of this integration with Power BI is advanced data visualization, deep analysis. So you can do the calculation directly in Power BI using DAX. It's real-time reporting, so real-time data refresh or scheduling the time for your refreshing the report. Also notification for changes or some core metrics, and providing this notification to marketing or sales teams. And of course, integration with other data sources. So you can collect in one report the data from different sources like Google Analytics, Excel, other CRM, etc., all in one place. And about the second part of your question, this process is not difficult if you have the procedure and follow the step-by-step guide. So by the way, you can find this instruction in our presentation, and when it will be provided to you.
Yes, we will send it in a few days after our webinar, and you will have a possibility to explore in details. Thank you, Nina. Thank you for highlighting all the benefits of Power BI. So we have more questions. The next is, can you provide examples of successful integrations of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights with Microsoft Copilot?
Oh, thank you for this question. The most useful features of for marketing from Microsoft Copilot that it can generate personalized content, yes, for emails or social media posts, make suggestions for segment creation or journey creations. Microsoft Copilot can help, for example, set priority for leads with lead scoring, and to automate responses to common customer issues or questions. So this can free up some human resources to handle more complex issues. So Copilot capabilities are very helpful, and the best part is that they are constantly developing and improving.
Thank you. Totally agree with you. Thank you all for your questions. I see that we have 2 new questions connected with Microsoft Clarity. The first one, the most general, Microsoft Clarity, what are the benefits for this integration?
Yeah, thank you for this question. Yeah, I like this tool very much. Because by doing 2 clicks, you can connect data from Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, plus almost any external source, to get all analytics in one place with a lot of different metrics, records, and heat maps. For example, for our customer, we set up the free Clarity as an alternative for paid hardware to check video records of B2C portal users' behavior. And of course, it's just few features of Clarity, and which each new one, I like this tool more and more.
Great, thank you. And the second question connected to the Microsoft Clarity sounds like this. Is it possible to track CRM contact interaction with Microsoft Clarity?
CRM contact. If you have, thank you for this question. And for example, I give you an example that we have for our customer. So we have contact in CRM, but also we have B2C portal for all these contacts. So we can track this B2C contract via portal, not directly from CRM, but via portal, but from CRM. So but for this, you need to install the tracking code for your website, and it will be easier to integrate with your Clarity and track all this data in Clarity directly. So we can do it, but via this additional external portal.
Thank you so much. Really interesting. And I guess the last question for today is, can you help my company to choose and set up the right integrations for Dynamics 365 marketing?
Yes, of course. Easiest system, and our team can assist you. Of course, at first we will investigate your unique business requirements and your marketing goals, and after that we'll provide the suggestions. Please book a call or send us a request for a private consultation. So I think we have the form in our chat as well, yeah?
Yes, of course. You can book a private consultation for free for our webinar attendees via our website. You can use the book a call option or fill in the form, the feedback form, and we will contact you as soon as possible. So it was the last question for today's session. And thank you all for your questions, for your activity, and thank you, Nina, for your amazing information.
Thank you, Tamara. Yeah, just want to say thank you all for your questions. Tamara, thank you for your support, and thank you everyone for joining us today. I hope you have found this webinar insightful and valuable for you. So thank you, and see you on the incoming events and webinars. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.
Stay connected with your DS. Bye.